Which vegetables should never be planted together with tomatoes? Come take a look and make sure your garden stays safe. First off, let's talk about cucumbers. Cucumbers and tomatoes are like enemies. They can spread diseases to each other. Plus, cucumbers thrive in hot and humid conditions, while tomatoes prefer moderate temperatures and humidity. Their different temperature preferences make it difficult for tomatoes to grow well and protect against pests and diseases, ultimately affecting yield and quality. Apart from cucumbers, there are other vegetables that shouldn't be planted alongside tomatoes. For example, potatoes have different growing habits from tomatoes. Their varying soil and water requirements can hinder each other's growth when planted together. Chili peppers are also a no-go with tomatoes. With their extensive root systems, chili peppers absorb a lot of nutrients and water, which can stunt tomato growth. Moreover, the capsaicin released by chili peppers contains an enzyme that breaks down vitamin C, exacerbating the issue. Understanding these planting taboos for vegetables can help us better manage our gardens and improve vegetable yield and quality. Do you know any other vegetables that shouldn't be planted together? Share in the comments section. Follow me for daily tips on agriculture and gardening. Thanks.